Are you tired of wasting money? If you want a product that will save you money and increase your quality of life significantly, then you need Prism theorems. Prism theorems are specifically designed to help you complete everyday tasks in the most efficient way possible. What's a prism, you may ask? A prism is a polyhedron with two parallel congruent faces, flat surfaces, called bases, connected by parallelogram faces. You can apply prism theorems to anything.
Anything?
That's right, anything. Prisms are all around us. You can find prisms anywhere. What about this video game disc? Prism. What about this phone case? Prism. What about this slinky? Not a prism.
But Jack, how does it work?
That's a good question, Tim. You see, Prism theorems uses technology from thousands of years ago developed by extremely intelligent mathematicians.
But Jack, how can I apply prism theorems to the prism?
Simple. All you have to do is find the area of every single lateral face, or the lateral area. How do you find this, you may ask? pH.
pH.
That's right, pH.
Assume the box is 6 inches by 12 inches by 4 inches, 6 being the length, 4 being the width, and 12 being the height. This box in particular is called a rectangular prism. To find pH, we need to find the perimeter of one of the bases and multiply it by the height of the prism. To find the perimeter of the base, we need to add 2 times the length plus 2 times the width.
You take the perimeter of one of the bases, which is 20, and multiply it by 12. The lateral area is 240.
We're not done yet, folks. In order to find out everything around the box, we need to add 2b, or 2 times the base area. To find the base area, we need to multiply the length and the width. This gives us a total of 24, or 6 times 4. Now we multiply 24 by 2, which gives us 48. Now all we need to do is add this 48 to the lateral area, and we have our surface area. 240 plus 48 equals 288. In order to cover the entire box, we need 288 inches of wrapping paper. Never waste money on wrapping paper ever again with Prism theorems. Order now and receive lateral area and surface area from Prism theorems for just $3.14, plus shipping and handling.
But wait, there's more.
Act now and you'll also receive Prism volume. What's volume, you may ask? A shape's volume is the measure of the amount of space a shape encloses, or in other words, how much space is inside a figure. Let's use this triangular prism for our next example. With a length of 12, a width of 10, and a height of 11. How can we find the volume of this shape, you may ask? BH. Take the area of one of the bases, or 60, and multiply it by the height, 11, and we get 660. There are 660 units of space inside this triangular prism.
Wonder how prism formulas apply to this Mount Laurel pool.
Another great question, Tim. Let's see if we can find the amount of water inside this pool. The length and the width of this pool is 4 by 11, or a base area of 44.
If the height is 24 feet, let's see if Tim can do this problem.
To find how much water is in the pool, you will have to use the volume formula, which is the base area times the height. Now to find the base area, it would have to be 11 feet by 4 feet. Then, you have to find the height of the pool, which would be 24 feet. Now, 11 times 4 is 44. Once you get 44, you have to times it by the height. Now, 44 times 24 turns out to be 1,056 feet cubed. It is feet cubed since the pool is all in feet. So that is how you find how much water is in the pool.
Absolutely right, Tim. Order now and get Prism lateral area, Prism surface area, and Prism volume, all for just $3.14, plus shipping and handling.
Now that's a kick in the head.
Call 1-800-MRT-6789 to order, or visit www.prismtheorems.com. Prism Theorems is not responsible for any incorrect calculations made while using our products. Order now, don't delay.